So like this the files will be there, it will display the details. Hope there is no question so far and hope everyone have executed both. You have executed? You can, it's not only this is there, you can combine whatever the previously the command we have executed. Whatever the command we have used, you can combine previously also and you can get the result. Okay. That already we discussed also, right? To see the hidden file. Okay. Here, previous class we discussed hyphen A used for what? Pardon? Show with the extension. It will show a hidden file and mostly on Unix environment all the hidden files will be with extension starting with the dot, right? It is starting with dot, that is not visible until you enable the feature, but we can't see because no GUI is there. What I have to do? I have to run the command. So what is the command? You have to use -a. So just now you executed command, there only you try with ls -a and see the what result you are getting. I have combined here all this command a, x, f. So type even ls-x, write to directory name and see what result you are getting. So if you want to list the directory content, try with this, then you want to list the file recursively, then you are going to use capital R minus capital R. Okay. So what is the command? What command we are going to execute here? ls space, first what was there? First I said for the hidden file. So hyphen a. You can see that because here it won't show, only it will show the current directory and parent directory for dot and double dot, because there will be no hidden files especially when we create any folder. But when you come to the root directory, cd, I will give tilde symbol, will come directly to the root sim. Even we checked yesterday, if you type directly only cd, suppose we are changing cd 2025, cd usp 1, okay. Now we are into the directory of usp. Now I want to come to the root directory. How to come? cd, even if cd is also working, but earlier you have to type cd dot, if general, what you do generally, cd dot dot will come previous, cd double again dot dot will back. If you write directly cd, it will come out, it will go to the root directory, or even if you type cd space tilde symbol, that also it will come to the root directory. Now we are into root directory. Now if you try the previous command, as I said, it is ls -a, now it will show the hidden file, that is .bashrc. Now I will run simple ls. Now you see that in ls we are not getting any other directory, hidden files or directory, but when I used ls -a, you can see that there are several files are available with starting with the dot, that means those are hidden files. This is the difference. You can use, as it mentioned, you can use -ax. See now, see the now result. The previously I discussed, right, without x -x command, right, for multiple column you were not seeing the difference. Now you see the difference between the command now I have executed and the just above I have executed this too. Now you can see the difference between multiple columns, how it is coming. So there multiple columns was there, here it is showing into 3 columns, I think some more column B, but it is better result compared to the previous one, right. So, this is the use of minus x multiple column when you want the result. Might be you will not see the difference when you create your own folders, but when you have 10,000s of files and directory, then in that case this multiple column option will help you. Now, you can see that clearly, right, everything is arranged. So, this is for minus x. We discussed about minus space minus capital R recursive. So, what happened? What is happening here? When I gave minus R, what is happening? Any idea? Huh? Lagging. So, what happened here? Anyone? It was running all the files. Anyone can tell me what happened? It is recursive list, okay, but what happened here exactly? It was running. It was reading all the content into the entire directory and then it is going to be listed. That is the use of minus capital R. Clear? Clear, guys? Clear? Any questions so far? Even if I want ls space minus, I have used a, right, sorry, we have used a, x, f, r. This also we can use, just enter, see what happened. It is executed very fastly. So, if you go above, you can read the details, again so many files will be there, right. So, you can combine all the options, right, you can see the result. So, you have to execute and see what result you are getting based on your changing the different options. Any question, guys? I hope there will be no question. Any question? You can write multiple directories. I want only selected directory, that also you can do that. If you give if you give ls space the option minus L, it will give you the entire directory's details. But if you give after that argument as only 2 directory, then it will give you the details of only 2 directory. It will not give details of all the directories. So, in my example, I have used some help dir. You can use any directory name, it does not matter. Okay. Clear, guys? Any questions so far? Any question?